Hello. The daily uplifting news beautifully visualized by Information is Beautiful, July 21st, 2020. Today's visualization is about the world will add 70,000 solar panels every hour in the next 5 years. Homes, offices and factories are reaping the benefits of rooftop solar. It makes economic and ecological sense, and it's changing the way we make and consume electricity. By 2024, the world's solar capacity is set to reach 600 gigawatts. That's almost double Japan's total power capacity today. Even then, only 6% of the world's rooftops will be equipped. The potential is massive. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.